Today we shall do a review about Interserver hosting. Interserver has built a reputation for reliability and performance over its 20-year career. The hosting company offers a variety of plans, shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. Most website hosting companies today are very competitive in terms of pricing, features, and different types of plans. While Interserver does not bring any new products to the table, they are worth a look for their very inexpensive products which employ quite a bit of proprietary technology. A few words from Interserver. Although technology has changed from the time we started in 1999, our core principles of quality, service, and support have remained the same. Our company has evolved its product offering to include shared hosting, cloud hosting, quick servers, and dedicated servers along with colocation services to continue to exceed our customers' expectations and remain best in class. I decided to transfer hosting to Interserver 6 months ago, so my review is based on a personal experience. In this review, we'll take a closer look at their hosting packages, including WordPress plans, the customer support, and the price. I will leave a link at the description so you can also take a look as you see the current offer. The company uses 3 Tier 1 IP backbone providers. Interserver have an independent data center that is a big deal too. Let's look at the features. 1. Hosting. There is standard hosting, which is enough if you are looking to host your blog or business website. It includes unlimited Ultra SSD storage, free website migration, free SSL, 30 days money guarantee, locked price, SitePad website builder, available globally, unlimited email accounts, InterShield protection, and 450 plus cloud apps to choose from. 2. Pro hosting. With this product you can host many websites together for yourself and your customers too. All other benefits are included starting at $5 monthly cost. If you choose to register a domain name with them, it's only $1.99 annually. Another service offered is VPS. Cloud VPS hosting comes in both Linux and Windows options. You are in total control of selected resources. Interserver uses a VPS control panel called Breadbasket that appears to be proprietary, which in turn allows you to make selection of what they call slice. You can purchase as many slices as you wish, with each one being equal to 25 GB space, 1024 MB memory, and 1 TB transfer, and prices starting at $6 for open source plans. You can pay month to month, or enjoy a 10% discount by paying for a year's worth of VPS hosting upfront. Anytime you wish to upgrade your account, it's easy to add another slice through your customer portal. If you search for Interserver VP's review, you will definitely find a lot of many happy customers' feedback. ASP.NET. Some businesses prefer Windows hosting, and Interserver features an ASP.NET that comes with unlimited data transfer, weekly backup, unlimited storage space, speed optimization, unlimited FTP accounts, cloud apps. All these and more at an incredible low start cost of $5. By the way, when Interserver says unlimited storage, they mean it. Now to the pricing. Interserver has managed to maintain low-cost services over the years. The standard hosting has an offer usually at 1 cent for the first month, at $5 every other month, which you can cancel anytime. Use the link at the description to see the current offer. All other packages start from $5 too. Interserver has a dedicated customer service team which is very helpful. When I was setting up my website, I got confused by the dashboard. I contacted the customer service through the chat service, and within minutes I got a response from them through the email. So in case you have an issue, send a text through the chat box and they will get back to you immediately or soonest through your email. Is Interserver worth it? My answer is yes. I have experienced great service, speed, and uptime is great. I pay less to host my site with Interserver as compared to other hosting companies for the same service. To visit Interserver, use the link provided at the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.